This 2027 Lexus RX-800H isn't a real or announced model. Lexus's actual 2027 RX lineup is a mid-cycle refresh of the existing RX 350, 350H, 450H Plus with no RX-800H trim confirmed anywhere. Since this is a fictional, unannounced vehicle, here's a script written as speculative concept content rather than presenting invented specs as fact. Welcome back to the channel. If you love luxury SUVs that blend power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, you are in the right place. Every week, we break down the newest and most exciting vehicles hitting the market, from hybrid powertrains to next-generation interiors. So if that sounds like your kind of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Now, let's get into today's video. Today we are taking a close look at a vehicle concept that has car enthusiasts buzzing, the 2027 Lexus RX-800H, a luxury SUV that pushes the boundaries of what a hybrid crossover can be. Now, before we dive in, it's important to note that this exact model designation has not been officially confirmed by Lexus. What we do know is that Lexus is preparing a mid-cycle refresh of its best-selling RX lineup for 2027. And this video imagines what a flagship hybrid variant could look like if Lexus decided to push the RX to its most powerful form yet. Let's start with design. Picture a bold evolution of the current spindle grille, reshaped into sharper, more angular lines. The front fascia would likely feature slimmer LED headlights connected by a full-width light bar, giving it a futuristic yet unmistakably Lexus identity. The body would carry sculpted character lines along the doors, a floating roofline with blacked-out pillars, and larger wheel arches to accommodate more aggressive wheel designs. At the rear, expect a sleeker taillight signature stretching across the tailgate, paired with a subtle integrated spoiler for a sportier stance. Step inside, and the cabin would be where Lexus truly shows off its craftsmanship. Think premium semi-aniline leather seating, real wood and metal trim accents, and ambient lighting that adapts to different drive modes. A large freestanding touchscreen, similar to what Lexus has introduced on newer models, would sit prominently on the dashboard, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster. Expect a head-up display, a premium Mark Levinson audio system, and advanced climate control with individual zones for every passenger. Comfort features like heated, ventilated, and massaging seats would likely be standard across trims, keeping Lexus competitive with rivals like the BMW X5 and Genesis GV80. Now let's talk about what makes this an 800H, in our concept, the powertrain. Imagine a next-generation hybrid system combining a twin-turbocharged engine with multiple electric motors, producing a combined output well north of 500 horsepower. This kind of setup would allow for blistering acceleration, something in the range of 4 seconds to 60 miles per hour, while still delivering strong fuel efficiency thanks to electrified all-wheel drive. A larger battery pack could also enable a meaningful electric-only range, making daily commuting nearly gas-free while long trips are handled by the combustion engine working alongside the motors. On the technology front, expect this SUV to be loaded with driver assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automated parking, and a suite of collision avoidance systems would all be part of the package. Over-the-air software updates would keep the infotainment system current, while wireless smartphone integration, a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and voice-activated controls would round out the tech experience. Safety would remain a top priority, with Lexus likely including its latest generation driver assistance suite across the board. As for pricing, if Lexus were to introduce a flagship hybrid trim like this, it would likely sit above the current RX lineup, which starts around $52,000 and climbs toward the mid-$70,000 range for the plug-in hybrid. A high-performance flagship variant could realistically push into the $80,000 territory, positioning it against premium hybrid SUVs from German and Korean competitors. So, would a vehicle like this make sense for Lexus? Absolutely. The brand has consistently shown it wants to lead in hybrid technology, and a flagship performance hybrid would strengthen its lineup against rivals. But keep in mind, everything covered today is speculative, based on trends, rumors, and design direction Lexus has taken with recent models like the S and TX. What do you think about a concept like this? Would you want to see Lexus build something with this much power and luxury combined? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let us know which SUV you would like us to cover next. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest car content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.